Let's simplify the expression negative 2y plus 9y squared plus 4y minus 3. Okay, so let's go down and identify like terms. So we have negative 2y, we have positive 4y. 9y squared is not a like term because it has an exponent of 2. There's an exponent of 2 on that y. There's only exponents of 1 on these other y's here. Okay, so negative 2y plus 4y is 2y. Positive 9y squared does not pair up with anything, so I'll just bring that down as it is. The negative 3, the constant term, also will come down here because I have nothing to pair it up with. Now, let's find the value of this expression if y is equal to negative 3. Okay, so we have 2y plus 9y squared minus 3. 2y plus 9y squared minus 3. Okay, and double check I wrote that down right. Okay, y equals negative 3. So 2 times y becomes 2 times negative 3. Plus 9 times y squared becomes 9 times negative 3 squared minus 3. Okay, so now I have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Let's simplify these one at a time. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Plus, okay, let's deal with this 9 times negative 3 squared. Okay, most of the time what you'll do, you'll look at that exponential part first, that squared, and you would take care of that first. And then you would get 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, but I want to talk a little bit about why we do it that way. So off to the side here, I'm going to write 9 times negative 3 squared. We have to keep in mind what that means. That means 9 times negative 3 times negative 3. Okay? So if that's the case, then it's pretty obvious that when I multiply that together, I will get 81. And since it's multiplication, the order that I multiply these in does not matter. I could do 9 times negative 3 first and get negative 27. Then multiply that times the negative 3 that's left over here and get positive 81. Or I could do negative 3 times negative 3 first, get positive 9, bring this down, so it's 9 times 9, which is 81. Okay, in both cases, it works out okay. But what's not okay? Let's talk about what's not okay. So 9 times negative 3 squared is not going to be, let me write this on this other side here. 9 times negative 3 squared does not become 9 times negative 3, which is negative 27 squared. Okay, that is not going to be the same thing as 9 times negative 3 times negative 3, right? 27 squared is, what, 729? That is clearly not equal to 81, right? So we don't do this, right? No. Okay, so if you go with the old-fashioned rule of squaring the negative 3 first to get positive 9, then multiplying 9 times 9 to get 81, you're doing this, you're good. If you decide to do it in a different order because it just is easier that way, that's fine, but keep in mind that if you multiply 9 times negative 3, you don't have negative 3 squared anymore. You only have one negative 3 remaining. You used up one of them. Okay, and then let me not forget to bring down this minus 3. Okay, so now we have negative 6 plus 81 minus 3. That's going to be negative 6 plus 81 is 75 minus 3. 75 minus 3 is 72.